Oh my gosh, my manager forced me to do a lot of tasks again.
Hi, Nobi.
Hi, Sue.
Are you alright? Why don't we go for a drink?
Yes, I wish I could, but I have to finish this task in 1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes. Oh no, no more staples. Please help me. Are you alone?
In such a case, Harinax! Harinax is a gadget to file papers without staples, like this. It's super convenient, eco-friendly, worry-free, and super safe even for kids.
Oh, it's so useful. You can put it in a recycling bin, just like this.
You can finish it by time because you have such a great gadget. See you later.
Wait! He needs motivation rather than useful gadgets.
My manager forced me to do a lot of tasks. Oh, ちょっと待って。
いいとこまで行ったのに。
Why don't we go to a cafe?
Please help me. Are you alone?
Why don't we go for a drink?
そうか。
やべえ、緊張度高まるよ。揺れてる。
じゃあ今は言えたらカメラ回ったら言われるよ。